Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. The 20th video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is the cup and handle pattern and how to identify it. But before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. A cup and handle is a chart pattern that resembles a cup with a handle, and it's considered a bullish signal extending an uptrend. This pattern is often used for long-term trading as it takes quite a while for the price to form a cup shape, and later it follows with a small handle looking area. For example, on the daily time frame, if the current price of Bitcoin starts to decrease for a few days to form a handle looking shape before it reattaches the previous resistance, in that case I can consider entering a long position here after it closes 2 or maybe 3 candles. In that case, I have two options, a long-term trade or a short-term trade. Like in the other chart patterns, the target level is estimated by subtracting the height of the cup. Let's put a cup shape in here. So the target level is estimated by subtracting the height of the cup for long-term or the handle for short-term. And let's put a support resistance zone in here. And our stop loss level for the long-term is the bottom of the cup, whereas our stop loss level for the short-term trade is the bottom of the handle. Now, if we put two trend lines in these areas, this is the bottom of the cup. If the handle pattern occurs in this area, then my next take profit level for long-term trade will be here, and my short-term take profit level will be around in this area. The cup and handle pattern is easy to find in 4 hours to daily time frames, but we can identify them in 15 minutes to 5 minutes charts too. For example, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's zoom out a little bit. In this area, if we consider this part as our cup and this part as our handle, or even actually this part as our handle, and if we put a support resistance zone in this location, let's zoom in a little bit. So after the breakout on long term, my next take profit level would be in this area, and on short term, my take profit level would be right at this area. In either case, for a cup and handle pattern to occur, it takes about 10 days to 3 months. So you need to be patient and watch out for the sudden price movements in the market. And that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video. And if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.